Hey guys, it's Tickle here with Keep Calm and Kill Zombies, DayZ Epoch. So I've already made a script. This is like my fourth take. Just bear with me. I'm gonna just move past the first day with the new mouth syndrome. Okay, what we've got here is a new kind of tutorial on a script that has been installed on the server. Thank you. And what it is, and we've already done a video of this, but we've switched from Overpoch back to Epoch, and we've also changed IP addresses and server hosts and a bunch of things. So I figured this would be a great opportunity to kind of remake the tutorial that we had up here before, because I'm probably just going to nuke it, and tell you a bit about the server. So the kind of philosophy behind the new server is just that a lot of the servers out there are getting kind of over militarized. And it's all good if you want to go and you want to play on a server with tanks and 50 calibers, and jets. Fill your boots. It's totally up to you. And then the only other thing that I've really noticed is there's a lot of PvE servers out there, that are strictly player versus environment. And there's not a whole lot of servers out there that are just kind of more or less vanilla Epoch. Not to say we don't have some kind of cool additions and some cool mods installed, but, for the most part, it's... the difficulty level is going to be a little bit higher. God, die, zombie. Back to the vehicle key changer. So what we've got here is two examples. So this script does basically two things. It's going to allow you to claim vehicles that you find on the server for a cost, like this lovely silver Lada that we have here, and like this red Lada here, which was purchased from the trader, which we can lock and unlock. It's going to allow you to change the key that locks and unlocks that vehicle. So let's start with claiming. So you're going to need two things. This one's going to be a shocker, but you're going to need a keymaker's kit. Surprise. And there's a cost to claiming the vehicles. And in this case, the cost is 1 10-ounce gold. Which, if you find a Lada like this, that's a pretty expensive Lada. You could just buy it at the trader a lot cheaper. But this works on all of the vehicles. So this is going to work on, helicopters and... some of the more expensive items. If you're looking at a helicopter, it's a pretty cheap way to get a heli. A lockable heli, that is. So, what you do, you walk up to the vehicle and scroll down to the bottom, and there's a cyan-colored claim vehicle. It's just as simple as that, and we're going to select it. Now, you have to have an existing key in your inventory. You can't just make keys out of nowhere. So you have you do have to purchase something from the trader in order to get a key, right? So you're probably not going to be able to do this right off the get-go. So what we're going to do, it's going to prompt us. You can see it over here on the left. It's going to ask us to select the new key, and what that's asking is what key do you want to open this vehicle with? So we're going to choose this black key EC4F. And your little homie's going to do his thing. And vehicle claiming success. So what does that mean? It means we're going to now be able to lock and unlock our Lada. And if the mission message would hop out of the way there, I can show you. Come on now. There we go. We're going to unlock it. And there you go. Black key EC4F used to unlock vehicle. So that's one feature. The second feature, which I actually use quite a bit, and It's the main reason I installed it on the script is I have a lot of vehicles. And there's a really, if you're doing any kind of base building, I mean, my tools are kind of stripped down right now as it is. You know, normally I have like a crowbar in there, and I might have a couple other little things. So I don't have room, you know, if I have 3 vehicles or, you know, 4 vehicles, I don't have room to carry 4 keys here. So this is really good for me. So what we need here is the cost for changing a vehicle key is 1 single silver bar. So it's a 1 ounce silver bar. And so obviously you need a key to another existing key to change it, change the vehicle onto. And you need a keymaker's kit again, because you can't just make a key out of nothing. So there you go, the blue menu option down at the bottom, change vehicle key. So we're going to select that, and it's going to ask us what key we want to use. So you might have a couple different keys, and you know, so if you had 3 or 4 keys in your inventory already, you'd have a couple choices there. But I have 2 keys in my inventory. One is the red key that that this car already belongs to. This one here, red key 9AB2, and all I have is this other black key, this EC4F. So I'm going to select black key EC4F, and it's going to run through its paces there. It's going to you know, throw up some messages in the corner, but basically what it does is it's going to swap your key over, and then it's going to put the key that the car previously belonged to, it's going to put it in your backpack. And the reason it does that is just in case it's not successful, you know, you can always go back and open it up with that key. So it doesn't just delete the key out of your inventory, but I've never had it fail. I'm not sure if there's a percentage chance to fail built into the script or not, but I think it's just in case there's an issue with the script itself. So anyways, we're gonna lock and unlock this key. We're gonna test it, and sure enough, there you go, it opens with black key EC4F, which it used to be a red key, right? So, you know, this will, I mean, really all it's for is kind of to make a master key, right? And then you can have your master key, and you can have multiple copies of that key. I can't stress that enough. Make copies of your key. Please. Please. I'm begging you, make copies of your keys. You need to take a breather. Okay. Yeah, so come check out this server. We've got a new website up. You know, we'll post up any server news. You can link up to our TeamSpeak there. And, you know, you can come on. We'll crank out some missions. We've got the Wicked AI mission system, the one that's been reworked to have hero and bandit missions. So, you know, if you're a bandit, you don't just have to rely on other players being on the server. And, you know, if you're a hero, missions are always fun. It's a great way to get some loot. We've got roaming AI, which disturbed my last recording. Yeah, we got heli lifting, we got towing, there's auto refuel, and, you know, vehicle key changing. So it's kind of a, you know, for me at least, most of the servers I've run in the past, we've had them pretty heavily scripted. This one's going to be pretty mellow. You know, there's some custom map additions, but there's not much that's going to break your immersion. And, you know, if that sounds appealing to you, come on over and check it out. We also have a referral system right now because, like I said, it's a new server, so we're trying to build up a user base. So if you refer people to the server, sign up on our website and blast me a message, and we'll hook you up with a box of building supplies. And yeah, for every person that you refer to the server. So that's it, guys. Hope to see you on there, and yeah, come check us out. I'll post a link to the website and the server in the description below. So have a good one, guys. Thanks a lot.